Hello everyone, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub. Today I am going to teach you how to make sambar. I have taken 1.5 glass of masoor dal and few curry leaves. Instead you can take yellow tur dal also. 2 to 3 green chilies, few chopped garlic, few chopped ginger, 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced tomatoes, 2-3 pieces of cauliflower. You can add 1 drumstick and 1 carrot. You can add some other vegetables like brinjal, potato, raw bananas. This time I am using a pan to make. You can make this in cooker also. We'll add salt in it, little turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of sambar masala. Now add enough water that all the vegetables are covered. Mix everything well and now keep it on the stove. Once the dal and all the veggies are cooked, add chopped lady's finger, add tamarind juice. Meanwhile, we'll make the tempering for the sambar. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 to 3 dry red chilies. Add 8 to 10 small onions. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Keep in a slow flame and roast it well. Now add the roasted spices into the sambar and mix it well. Now last add chopped coriander leaves. Now the sambar is ready. So at this stage you can taste and add salt and tamarind juice if required. Please do try and let me know. Bye bye.